Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to be carrying on with Earphone Tuesday as normal, but I just wanted to let you know that we will also be doing a unboxing and first impressions and maybe a review of an item that was included in the purchase of this set of earphones. So there's this really good deal on the Huawei website here in the UK, which I decided to take advantage of, and you get a set of Huawei FreeBuds 4i, which is what I was actually after, and a silicone case for the case of the earphones themselves, and a Huawei Band 4, all for $74.99, which is an amazing deal if you think about it. But I'll provide some more details about that in the links in the description. We'll put the Huawei Band 4 to the side for now, and focus on the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei FreeBuds 4i and the FreeBuds 4i case that was part of this offer. So, those of you who have been regular watchers of the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel will remember that at the end of last year we unboxed and reviewed the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, the premium noise cancelling earbuds from Huawei. So, apart from the colour, which is pretty impressive from what I can see, this bright red colour, I was looking for a pair of premium earbuds for use in certain situations, and these seem to tick all the boxes and specifications. And other videos that I've seen on YouTube, here on YouTube, such as the one from TechSpert, really convinced me that it was a worthwhile purchase. So as you can see, I've just taken the box, opened it, and we have the earbuds themselves with a bit of a papery finish to keep it scratch-free for now. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. That's good to see. Type-C cables are always useful, and especially when traveling, which I hope to do soon, within the next couple of months. That means that I don't have to carry many different charging cables with me, because if everything is USB Type-C, that should make life easier. Now, underneath the cable there is a leaflet in a box. There's an extra couple of bright red silicone tips for the earbuds. I'm assuming medium is already applied to the product, but there is large and small in a bag there. And then we've got a series of booklets. One is a warranty card, one's safety information, and one's your quick start guide. Now I'm sure we'll read that at some point, but what I'm going to do is put these aside for now, and let's focus on the Huawei FreeBuds themselves. So here we are. Very nice glossy red case. This is a particularly catchy red, which I really like, so I'm looking forward to looking at this. And on the inside we have the earbuds themselves. Now these are the Huawei FreeBuds 4i, which feature some pretty good specs all around. The key thing is that they also do active noise cancellation, which means that you can long press the earbuds to actively take the noise from the outside. A computer chip on the inside creates white noise or opposing noise, so that it cancels out in your ears. And if you look at the bottom, you can see that USB Type-C port for charging is there. So let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a comparison with the FreeBuds Pro from 2020. But for now, what I'm going to do is pair these with my red iPhone. So I'm going to go into my iPhone, pull down Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. Need to go in settings, and as you can see, Earphone Tuesdays have really added to my list of connected devices to the iPhone 12. Let's see if the Huawei FreeBuds 4i show, and they do at the bottom here. So pairing looks pretty simple. We are connected. Excellent. So let's just check here. Yes, we're connected, so I'm going to put these in my ear. What I'll do is, as usual, I will put, oops, struggling to get the earbud out, there we go. I will put the FreeBuds 4i through their paces for the next few hours, and then get back to you with some first impressions and my thoughts on the product. And when we're at it, I will also get the silicone case that was included in my purchase and put that on the case and see how it goes. But for now, it'll be a few seconds for you. There may be an ad slot, but I'll be back soon. And I'm back. So after a few hours of using the Huawei FreeBuds 4i, I can definitely say that I'm really impressed by the sound quality. Not only that, I've also, as you can see, put on the case that came with them. Though I'm not too fond of it, I think I'm going to take this easily removable silicone case off, just because that bright red, glossy red case in of itself is lovely. Now, I repaired these earbuds with my Amazon Fire tablet, my Google Pixel 5, as well as with a laptop, just to see how it handled it. And the button at the side makes this really, really easy. So you can just see it here. There is a button at the side of the case of the Huawei FreeBuds 4i, which allows you to sync with other devices. So it's really quite handy. And I also synchronized these with my Huawei P40, and as expected, no issues there whatsoever. So I've used the Huawei FreeBuds 4i for things like podcasts, audiobooks, videos on YouTube, videos on Netflix, and noticed little or no lag whatsoever. And even on the iPhone, I've really had very few issues there. So great set of earphones. The sound quality was excellent. It's just slightly on the bassier side, but overall well-rounded sound, and none of the audio tracks that I usually use for assessing earbuds gave them problems. Touch controls are great. I really enjoyed the touch controls on these FreeBuds 4i, because single taps are not something that I've been able to use, because you don't have single taps. And it is quite frustrating sometimes if you're wearing a hood to a jacket in the rain here in Scotland. That little taps on the side of the earbuds can cause phantom pause and play actions. Not with the FreeBuds. They use double taps or long presses. And so I've tested these with the long press that enables active noise cancellation, which is very, very good. Now, I tried these earlier with a vacuum cleaner on and noticed a really good noise cancellation whilst that was happening. You also have something called pass-through or awareness mode, which is the next one there, which essentially lets you hear what's in the background. It takes the noise that is usually cancelled out and amplifies it. So if, for example, you're in a situation where you actually need to hear what you're doing, such as when you're crossing the road, you can use that to increase your awareness. And then just not having any noise cancellation or augmentation, these work really, really well. Now, I haven't been through the full battery charge on the Huawei FreeBuds 4i because it's a really capable device in the battery space. So these earbuds will get, according to the Huawei specifications, up to 9 hours use on a single charge. And you can charge them up again once with the power in the case. So value for money, I think these are excellent. Now, obviously, the special offer that I got is a step above and beyond. You get the case, the earbuds, and a Huawei fitness band for under £75 delivered by DHL. But if you think about it, for around about £70, these are very, very good quality earbuds. I would say they are better than the LG the LG tone-free earbuds, the FN6 model that we reviewed last year, in exactly the same price category. And I would say overall the sound is slightly more pleasant. It's slightly on the bassier side, which is what a lot of people do prefer. So let us know what you think in the comments. Obviously these are my first impressions after using the Huawei FreeBuds 4i for a few hours. Let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know if you have any further questions, and if you would like to see a comparison with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro that we unboxed and provided some first impressions of and reviewed last year. These are a great set of earphones at good value price in the £70 price range, so thumbs up from me on these. The only thing I think I might slightly miss is wireless charging. These don't have wireless charging, but with USB Type-C, that is forgiven in my view. Thank you for watching this video if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or feedback, leave us a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching another Earphone Tuesday video on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.